Hi everybody, I'm Steve, and today we're going to talk about how to tell when your cake is done. First of all, anytime a recipe gives you a time frame, remember that is really for the oven in which the recipe was created. So every oven is different. It's got hot spots or cold spots. If your cake isn't done because the recipe said 45 minutes, just let it go longer. Here's some things to look for. First of all, the biggest clue that something is done is it's actually going to pull away from the sides of the pan. It's going to have a nice golden brown, even crust on top. And when you press it, it will spring back. Those are the three most important keys to tell when something is done. Pulls away from the pan, even coloring on top, springs when you touch it. Of course, then you can always take your toothpick and insert it. If it comes out clean, that's another indication that it's done. But some thicker cake batters will pull out clean even though they don't spring back. And that's just the tip. I hope that helped. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know, what tips do you need?